press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Namaste children. In this class, we'll discuss questions related to zoology. Understood? So, 136 question, they have given in Morgan's experiments on linkage, the percentage of white-eyed miniature winged recombinants in F2 generation is. So, they have given 1.3%, 62.8%, 37.2%, and fourth option is 73.2%. So, what they have given? 1.3% first option, second option is 62.8%, understood, and 37.2%. Fourth option is 73.2%. 73.2%. So, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, see, in Morgan, ಇದು based on linkage. So, it is in a chromosome. When genes are closely linked, recombination is less. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? When genes are, these two are genes, when they are closely linked, recombination is less. When genes are present at a distance, recombination is more. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? So, this 1.3% and we have 98.7%. So, this is parental type and this one is recombinant type, recombinants. When yellow body with white eye, so one gene represents yellow body, that another one represents white eyes. When yellow body, white eyes are crossed in F2 generation, we see 98.7% parental character and 1.3% recombinants. That means other than parental character. ಏನಕ್ಕೆ parental character ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ? Because genes are closely linked. Genes are closely linked. Whereas this option they have given white eye miniature wing. White eye miniature wing. Here genes are present at a distance, farly located. When genes are present at distance, more distance, when we see more distance between two genes, recombination is more. So here in this we see 62.8 is parental character, whereas 37.2 is recombinant. So the answer is third. In your textbook, they are clearly represented the genes. Alva? Diagrammatic representation nodi alli white-eyed miniature wings genes are distantly placed. They are present. Two genes have more distance. When distance is more between two genes, recombination is more. So in that case, we see 37.2% recombinant, whereas 62.8% is parental character. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ? 37.2% is the answer for 136 question. Okay. So the next 137, probability of male child of hemophilic father and normal mother becoming hemophilic is. ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ? probability of male child of hemophilic, probability of male child of hemophilic father and normal mother. So hemophilic father andre, so I will take like this, and normal mother means okay. So ಏನಿರ್ಬೋದು? So we see carrier daughter, again we see carrier daughter, normal son and also normal son. So both sons are normal, whereas for daughters are carrier for hemophilic. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಅವ್ರು ಕೇಳಿರುವಂತ ಕ್ವಶನ್ probability of male child for hemophilic father and normal mother. So ಏನಿದೆ? They have given option 0%, 25%, 50% and 100%. So ನಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದೆ male is not going to be affected by hemophilia. So answer ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ? 0%. For the 137 question, answer is 0%. Understood? Answer is 0%. So then coming to 138. So 138, they have given, recognize the figure given below. Recognize the figure given below and select the correct option. So male Drosophila, we know that male Drosophila have shorter length compared to female Drosophila. They are wider and length is more. Hagagi A is male Drosophila, B is female Drosophila. So other option what they have given is female, A is female Drosophila, B is male Drosophila, housefly antru agala. Hagagi so this what they have given option diagram is Drosophila. Hagagi A is male Drosophila, B is female Drosophila. Answer is for 138, answer is 1. Then for 139. So 139, we know that an inborn error metabolism which eventually affects mental development is, they have given option albinism, phenylketonuria, anemia, Leber's disease. Albinism ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮೆಲಾನಿನ್ ಪಿಗ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಇದ್ದಾಗ we see pale skin color, that is albinism, that doesn't affects mental status. And phenylketonuria, we know that when the phenylalanine is not converted into tyrosine, phenylpyruvic acid will accumulate. Understood? So for 139 question, so 139, phenylalanine is an amino acid. It should be converted into tyrosine. In the presence of enzyme phenylalanine hydroxylase. Phenylalanine hydroxylase. So in the absence of enzyme, ಯಾವ enzyme? Phenylalanine hydroxylase. This phenylalanine is converted into phenylpyruvic acid. Phenylpyruvic acid. ಇದೇನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? This cannot be utilized by our body cells. It start accumulating in the body. ಅವಾಗ mental retardation we see. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ for 139 answer is second, phenylketonuria. ಅನೇಮಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ hemoglobin content ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, oxygen carrying capacity is reduced. In Leber's disease, blood is not going to be clot. So for 139 question, second is the answer. In phenylketonuria, we see retarded mental development. Understood? This that leads to mental retardation. So next question, 140. Match the column 1 with the column 2 and choose the correct option. So we know that Reginald C. Punnett or ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, he gave us checkerboard to plot genotype probability. So A should go to second. And Mendel, we know that he gave laws of inheritance. So B4. Sutton and Boveri, they gave us parallel behavior of genes and chromosomes. So the behavior of genes is same as behavior of chromosomes. And T.H. Morgan, he gave linkage and recombination. If the linkage is less, recombination is also less. If the linkage distance between two genes is more, if their genes are loosely linked, recombination is more. So that was given by Morgan. And Enking is the first person, he was the first person to know the unknown chromosome present in insects. Adanna navu X chromosome anta heltivi. After that, sex determination is based on X and Y chromosome alva. Hagagi Enking is, we have to match for sex determination. So answer ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇವಾಗ? A should go with 2. So 2 option. And B, Mendel, laws of inheritance. B4, C5, D3. So ಹಾಗಾಗಿ 3 is the option. A2, B4, C5 and D3 is the answer. So third is the answer for 140. Next, for 141, a mutation in DNA molecule involving replacement of one nucleotide base pair with another is. So that is called, they have given point mutation, frame shift mutation, deletion mutation and a transposon anta kottidare. So we know that point mutation and frame shift mutation. So point mutation means, example, GAG. These 3 nitrogen bases represents glutamic acid. It represents glutamic acid. When the single nitrogen base, if adenine is replaced by uracil, it becomes valine. It becomes valine. So a mutation in DNA molecule involving replacement of one nucleotide base pair with another is called point mutation. It is called point mutation. Understood? For 141, answer is 1, point mutation. Then 142, polyploidy condition is seen. Polyploidy condition is often seen in animals, humans, plants and birds. So this polyploidy condition we see in plants, is often seen in plants. What is polyploidy? Poly means many set of chromosomes alva. So yavaga nodtivi, see after the cell division aguvaga the chromosomes will move to the opposite poles. They move to opposite poles. Okay. When the telophase, in telophase they move to opposite poles and the nuclear membrane is going to be formed and we get 2 daughter cells like this. We get 2 daughter cells. After telophase division, we get 2 daughter cells. Okay. Chromosomes opposite move agutte. So telophase after karyokinesis. After karyokinesis, it should be followed by cytokinesis. It should be followed by cytokinesis. And then karyokinesis means division of nucleus, division of chromosomes. Cytokinesis means division of cytoplasm. Okay. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ after telophase, so the nuclear cytokinesis will occur and we get two daughter cells. We get two daughter cells. But failure of cytokinesis after karyokinesis results in polyploidy. If a chromosome divide ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ cytokinesis divide ಆಗದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಸೆಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ರೋಮೋಸೋಮ್ and here also one set of chromosome results in polyploidy. So polyploidy is seen due to failure of cytokinesis after karyokinesis. This is seen usually in plants. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ 142 ಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? It is seen in plants. Okay. So next we'll move with next question. 143. Phenotypically, females having rudimentary ovaries, underdeveloped breast, short stature suggest. Female having rudimentary ovaries and short ovaries. So they are not very well developed. So this we see in Turner's syndrome, 44 autosomes plus XO. So in female, usually they are homozygotic, they have 2 X chromosome. But Turner syndrome alli enagutte we see absence of monosomy, absence of 1 X chromosome. Due to absence of 1 X chromosome, in females, we see rudimentary ovaries, underdeveloped breast, short stature. So these are features what we observe, what we see in Turner's syndrome. Hagagi for 143 answer is third, Turner's syndrome. Okay. So the next question, 144. If haploid chromosome number is 10, haploid or ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದರೆ haploid question number is 144. Haploid chromosome ಅಂದರೆ denoted by n, ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದರೆ 10. The monosomic number shall be. What is the monosome number? So haploid 10 ಇದೆ ಅಂದರೆ diploid ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 2 into 10 equals 20. Monosomy ಅಂದರೆ 2n minus 1. Monosomy means what? 2n minus 1. Mono means single. Single chromosome is going to be deleted. So from diploid set of chromosome. ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 20 minus 1. Answer ಎಷ್ಟಾಯಿತು 19. Understood? For 144 answer is 4. 19 is the answer. Next, hagene 145. A monosomic organism can be represented as. How they are going to be represented? To monosomy andre 1 delete agate is represented by 2n minus 1. Is represented by 2n minus 1. ಅದೇ 2n plus 1 ಆದರೆ ಟ್ರೈಸೋಮಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ 2n plus 1 ಇದ್ರೆ this represents trisomy. So minus ಅಂದ್ರೆ monosomy. So 145 ಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಏನಾಯ್ತು 2n minus 1. 146. 145 2n minus 1. The chromosomes other than sex chromosome are called. They have given autosomes, heterosomes, karyosomes. So heterosomes are the different types of chromosome. You have X male having X and Y. They are heterosome. Alba, 2 different types of chromosome. So karyosomes are nothing but karyo means nucleus. Alba, autosomes. Autosomes. So we have 146, we have 44 autosomes which do not determine the sex of an individual. Chromosomes which we are not using to determine the sex of an individual, those chromosomes are called autosomes. They are called as autosomes. The sex chromosomes which helps to determine the sex of an individual, it is called sex allosomes or sex chromosomes. So they are called allosomes or sex chromosomes. So ಹಾಗಾಗಿ 146 ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಏನಾಯಿತು 1 autosomes is the answer for 146. Then 147, defect in amino acid metabolism may result in. So amino, already we discussed this. So defect in amino acid, that is in hemophilia. In hemophilia, clotting factors are absent. Alva, hagagi hemophilia agala. Wilson's disease. ಇಲ್ಲಿ Wilson's disease ಅಲ್ಲಿ so the copper metabolism is going to be affected. Whereas in Tay-Sachs disease, central nervous system, degeneration of central nervous system is seen. But amino acid metabolism is not affected in all these three: hemophilia, Wilson's disease and Tay-Sachs diseases. But in phenylketonuria, we know that phenylalanine has to be converted into tyrosine in the presence of enzyme phenylalanine hydroxylase. So that is not going to be converted due to the absence of enzyme phenylalanine hydroxylase. Hagagi phenylalanine will be converted into phenylpyruvic acid. Hagagi amino acid metabolism is defect in phenylketonuria. So amino acid metabolism will not occur in phenylketonuria. So 147 answer is 2. Next 148. ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ? So here 148. See, a colorblind man marries a normal woman. So colorblind man marries a normal woman. ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಇವರೇನಿದ್ದಾರೆ? colorblind ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. She is normal. What percent of children is expected to be colorblind? Colorblind ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ. So X, with this X, carrier daughter, what they are given, what percent of children is expected to be color blind? A normal woman who's wait question no, a colorblind marries a normal woman whose father was colorblind. Nodi, a mother whose father was colorblind andre she will be carrier for that disease. She will be carrier for that disease. Question neatag nodkoli. A colorblind man marries a normal woman. Or normal idare. She is not suffering from colorblind. But her father was colorblind. Her father was colorblind andmele she will be carrier but not sufferer. Hagagi navilli mother na naven tagobek, carrier tagobek. Then we get affected daughter, so again normal son, affected son normal son. So one affected daughter, one affected son, other two are normal. One normal son, two sons are normal. So this is XX, normal daughter. Normal daughter. So one normal daughter, one affected daughter, one affected son, one normal son. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? ಒಬ್ರು ಡಾಟರ್ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಒಬ್ರು ಸನ್ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 50% ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ ಇಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಕಲರ್ ಬ್ಲೈಂಡ್? 50%. ಸೊ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಫಾರ್ 148 is 50%. Understood? ಸೊ ನೀವು ಓದುವಾಗ ಹುಷಾರಾಗಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಅವರು ಕಲರ್ ಬ್ಲೈಂಡ್ ಫಾದರ್ ಅಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಬಟ್ ವೆನ್ ಹಿ ಮ್ಯಾರೀಸ್ ಎ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ವುಮನ್ ಬಟ್ ಹರ್ ಫಾದರ್ ವಾಸ್ ಕಲರ್ ಬ್ಲೈಂಡ್ ಅಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವಾಗ ಅವ್ರ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? ಕ್ಯಾರಿಯರ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ದಟ್ಸ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ವೈಲ್ ರೀಡಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರೀಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಲಿ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ನಾವು ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ 50% ಸಿಗಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ಯಾವಾಗ our father was carrier ಅಂತ ಅಂದಾಗ we have to take their carrier. One affected gene, other normal gene. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಕಲರ್ ಬ್ಲೈಂಡ್ನೆಸ್ is sex linked, that to X linked recessive disorder. It is X linked recessive disorder. Usually male are sufferer, female are carriers. Only one situation when carrier female marries a affected person, then only the daughter is going to be affected. Then only the daughter is going to be affected. Artha aita? So the next question, 149. Hemophilia is a genetic disorder in which? We know that hemophilia is a X-linked recessive disorder. So in that disease, blood is not going to be clot due to the absence of clotting factors. So they are given blood clots in blood vessels. Adagala, because blood is not going to be clot. There is delayed coagulation of blood. There is no delay. Blood is not going to coagulate. It is not going to be clot at all. Hagagi second kuda answer agala. Blood fails to coagulate. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ಬ್ಲಡ್ ಫೇಲ್ಸ್ ಟು ಕೋಆಗುಲೇಟ್ is the answer for 149. Okay, blood cell count falls, that's not the answer. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ 149 answer, blood fails to coagulate. 150, see they have given thalassemia differs from sickle cell anemia in that the former is a dash problem of synthesizing few globin molecules, while the later is a dash problem of synthesizing and incorrectly functioning globulin. So thalassemia dalli we know that we have alpha thalassemia and beta thalassemia. So globulin synthesis is reduced. Artha aita? So alpha, if the alpha chain is affected, so the alpha globulins are reduced. If beta chain is affected, beta globulins, amino acids are going to be reduced. So the quantity is going to be reduced in thalassemia. So thalassemia, quantitative problem of hemoglobin synthesis, whereas in sickle cell anemia, glutamic acid, GAG, adenine is replaced by uracil. Avaga enagutte? Glutamic acid will be converted into valine. So in sickle cell anemia, so we see GAG will become GUG. Glutamic acid will become valine. So this is responsible for sickle shape of RBCs. This is responsible for sickle shape of RBC. So the quality is going to be affected in sickle cell anemia. So thalassemia is a quantitative problem. Sickle cell anemia is a qualitative problem of functioning of hemoglobin. So agagi answer enayitu 150 ge 1 is the answer. Then 151. Genetic maps of chromosomes are based on the frequency of, they have given non-disjunction, translocation, linkage. Non-disjunction and the failure of separation of chromatids during these two are chromatids. Two chromatids form a chromosome. Each chromosome is having two chromatids. Alva? So when failure, non-disjunction means failure of separation of these chromatids. Translocation means locating the genes from one chromatid to other. So that is translocation. So one more they have given, linkage. So 151, genetic maps mainly based on linkage, how the genes are located on a chromosome. Whether they are closely linked or suppose AB genes are closely linked, AC are loosely linked. So the genetic maps are mainly based on the location of genes, how they are located, whether they are closely linked or loosely linked, based on linkage between two genes. So genetic maps of chromosomes are based on the frequency of linkage. 151, third is the answer, 3 is the answer. Then 152, Klinefelter syndrome is due to sex complement of. So Klinefelter syndrome, karyotype of Klinefelter syndrome, we have 44 autosome plus XXY. Male is going to be affected in Klinefelter syndrome. It is a trisomy. So 2n plus 1. 2n is 46 plus 1 addition X chromosome agide. Hagagi ili eshtagutte? 47 agutte. It is example for trisomy. So the karyotype, sex complement of Klinefelter syndrome is 44 autosomes plus XXY. Hagagi enayitu iga 152 ge third is the answer, XXY. Okay. Next, in a pedigree analysis, the symbol represents. So we know that square represents male, circle represents female. If one line is present, mating between unrelated individuals, they are not related. ಸಂಬಂಧದಲ್ಲಿ ಮದುವೆ ಬೇರೆ ಸಂಬಂಧ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬೇರೆ ಮದುವೆ ಆದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ಅನ್ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಅದೇ ಎರಡು ಲೈನ್ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಕನ್ಸಾಂಗ್ಯುಯಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾರೇಜ್, ಕನ್ಸಾಂಗ್ಯುಯಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸಂಬಂಧದಲ್ಲೇ ಮದುವೆ ಆಗೋದು. ಅಕ್ಕನ ಮಗಳನ್ನ ಸೋದರ ಮಾವನ್ನ ಮದುವೆ ಆಗ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕನ್ಸಾಂಗ್ಯುಯಸ್ ಮೇಟಿಂಗ್. ಮೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಟೂ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ಲಿ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಇಂಡಿವಿಜುವಲ್ಸ್. ಸಂಬಂಧ ರಕ್ತ ಬ್ಲಡ್ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಇಂಡಿವಿಜುವಲ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮದುವೆ ಆದ್ರೆ, ಸೆಕ್ಷುವಲ್ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವೇನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ? ಕನ್ಸಾಂಗ್ಯುಯಸ್ ಮೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. consanguineous mating. So this is consanguineous mating or mating between blood related individuals anta. Hagagi answer enaitu 1 is the answer for 153. Affected individuals na nave toristive when the square or circle is filled, so that represents they are affected with the disorders. Siblings anta andre children of the same parents, children of same parents, like this. So son, first one is son, first is daughter, Circle represents daughter. This represents son. Second one is son. And again, third one is son. So these are called siblings. Children of belongs to same parent. So unrelated mating antandre when we see a single line, that is unrelated mating. But he lands avaru kotidare two lines between, so that is mating between blood related person. So 1 is the answer for 153 question. So the next we'll move with next question. 154. Nodi avralli kottidare, study the pedigree chart given below. What does it shows? Yen namage health. So which 154. Nodi, affected person is shaded here. So this pedigree myotonic dystrophy agalla, yakendre myotonic dystrophy is dominant, autosomal dominant disorder. Dominant andre parental irbeku, disorder offsprings allu irbeku, but illi parental illa offspring alli ide. So this denotes us it is a recessive disorder. It is a recessive disorder. So sickle cell anemia is a autosomal recessive disorder. Recessive disorders andre parental iralla, makkalirutte. If the parent is having disorder, the offsprings will not have disorders. Understood? So the myotonic dystrophy agala because myotonic dystrophy is autosomal dominant. Sickle cell anemia, this represents sickle cell anemia. Hemophilia, hemophilia is sex linked recessive disorder. Ili in torsidar avaru daughter is affected here. See, so daughter is affected anta andre illi avaru when she is affected, so father should be affected. For yavaga daughter alli disorder nodtivi andre when the father is affected, marries a carrier lady, carrier woman, then daughter is going to be affected. Otherwise she will be carrier. Understood? So illenagide father is normal here, hagagi hemophilia is not the answer. And Down syndrome, Down syndrome is allosomal disorder, it is not an autosomal disorder alva. Hagagi this pedigree represents sickle cell anemia. This represents sickle cell anemia. Understood? So next, broadly genetic disorders may be grouped into two categories. We know that their genetic disorders are grouped into Mendelian disorders and chromosomal disorders. Mendelian disorders will transfer from parents to their offsprings. Alva? So they are classified as Mendelian disorders and chromosomal disorders. So 155, 1 is the answer. So aneuploidy and polyploidy. Aneuploidy is either deletion or addition of chromosomes to a diploid set of organism is aneuploidy. Polyploidy already we discussed, due to failure of cytokinesis, whole set of chromosomes are going to be present. So that condition we see in plants. Agagi 155 answer enaitu. This is a chromosomal 155 ke Mendelian disorders and chromosomal disorders. Again 156, which of the following is not a Mendelian disorder? Nan nimge helde Mendelian disorders usually transfer from parents to offsprings. Chromosomal disorders ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, they are sterile, they cannot give birth to young ones. So some studies tells us Down syndrome male are sterile whereas female can give birth to young ones ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. But majority of the chromosomal disorders ಅಲ್ಲಿ they are sterile, they cannot give birth to young ones. Whereas in Mendelian disorders the reproductive is not going to be affected. Hagagi the disorders are going to be transferred from parents to their offsprings. So we know that Turner syndrome is a chromosomal disorder. Thalassemia, hemophilia and cystic fibrosis are Mendelian disorders. So they have asked which is not a Mendelian disorder. So Turner syndrome is not a Mendelian disorder. So 156, 1 is the answer. 157, person affected with phenylketonuria lack an enzyme that converts amino acid phenylalanine into tyrosine. Phenylalanine into tyrosine. So it's not valine, proline or histidine. They are all amino acids, but phenylalanine will be converted into tyrosine in the presence of enzyme phenylalanine hydroxylase. So this enzyme converts phenylalanine into tyrosine. Okay, so ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ for this 157, fourth is the answer. Tyrosine is the answer. Then 158, a disease which shows its transmission from unaffected carrier female to some of the male progeny. Find the nature of the trait. A disease which shows its transmission from unaffected carrier female to some of the male progeny andre that shows it is a recessive disorder and it is autosomal. It is a female in the ಸನ್ನಿಗೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದಾಗ sex linked recessive disorder. Sex linked recessive disorder. Autosomal andre male and female both are equally affected in autosomal disorders. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? Sex linked ಅಲ್ಲಿ that too in X linked recessive disorders ಅಲ್ಲಿ male sufferer, females are usually carriers for this disease. Only in one condition when female is going to be affected andre when an affected person marries a carrier woman, then daughter is going to be affected. Otherwise always females are carriers and males are sufferers. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ 158 ಗೆ it is a sex linked recessive disorder. Third is the answer. Okay, so 158, third is the answer. Next we'll move with next question, which is incorrect about color blindness. So they are given this is due to defect in either red or green cone of eye resulting in failure to discriminate between red and green color. Yes, that is correct. We know that color blind is a X-linked recessive disorder. Color blindness is sex-linked, that too X-linked recessive disorder. So a daughter will not normally be a color blind unless her mother is a carrier and her father is colorblind. Yes, that is also true. In females, when they have chromosome XC, C represents defective gene, then it is called carrier, but when male has that defective gene, then it will be colorblind. Yes, that is correct. The son of a woman who carries the gene as, the son of a woman who carries the gene has 25% chance of being color blind ಅಂತಾರೆ. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ, son of a woman, she is carrier for that disease. So ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ son is going to be colorblind. So the son of woman who carries the gene of being chance of being colorblind is 50%, not 25%. One son is normal, other son is affected. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಏನಾಗಬೇಕಿತ್ತಲ್ಲಿ 50%. ದಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ಇನ್ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಕಲರ್ ಬ್ಲೈಂಡ್ನೆಸ್. ಸೊ 151ಗೆ 4 ಇಸ್ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್, 4th ಇಸ್ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಬೇಕಿತ್ತು 50% ಆಗಬೇಕಿತ್ತು. ಇನ್ಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ದಟ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಿವನ್ 25%. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ 4th is the answer for 4 is the answer for 159. Next 160. How many types of genotypes are possible in the inheritance of sickle cell anemia? So we have HbA, HbA, it's a normal hemoglobin. HbA, HbS, carrier, it's a normal carrier. HbS, HbS, sufferer, affected person. So ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು genotypes? 3 genotypes, 1, 2, 3. So answer for 160 is 3. So next 161. Sickle cell anemia is controlled by, it is controlled by single allele. It's not single allele, they are given single pair of alleles. Yes, it is controlled by single pair of alleles. Yes, nodi, pair of alleles alva. So single pair of alleles is the answer for 161. Sickle cell anemia is controlled by, it is controlled by single pair of alleles, single pair of allele. So 162. Which genotypes will indicate color blindness in male? So color blindness in male anta andre nimage gottida, this female alli idu carrier agutte, male alli sufferer agtade. So answer enaytu 162 ge answer is as it is, color blindness is X-linked recessive disorder. It is X-linked recessive disorder. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ವೈಗೆ ನಾವು ಡಿಫೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ತೋರ್ಸಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ಗೆ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಕು. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಕ್ರೋಮೋಸೋಮಲ್ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಏನಾಯ್ತು? ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಫಾರ್ 162. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್? ಆಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕಲರ್ ಬ್ಲೈಂಡ್ನೆಸ್ ಇಸ್ X-linked recessive disorder, the complement, chromosomal complement is this one. X is defective gene, hagagi that person is sufferer. Okay, so this is the answer for 162. 1 is the answer for 162. 2, 3, 4 ಆಗಲ್ಲ, 4 autosomes ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ Y also having defective gene ಅಂತಾರೆ, but it is wrong because the disorder is due to X-linked genes. So ಮೇಲ್ ಅಂತ ಅಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಥರ್ಡ್ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಫೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಡಾಟರ್, ಅವ್ರು ಕೇಳಿರೋದು ನಮಗೆ ಮೇಲ್, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಏನಾಯ್ತು 162. 1 is the answer. Then 163. Down syndrome is due to trisomy of 21st chromosome caused by non-disjunction during egg formation. ಓವಮ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಆಗುವಾಗನು 21st ಕ್ರೋಮೋಸೋಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇನ್ಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಆಫ್ 2 ವಿ ಗೆಟ್ 3 + 1 3 ಡ್ಯೂರಿಂಗ್ ಓವಮ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. And non-disjunction during sperm formation also we see same, that is 21st chromosome autosomes ali instead of 2 we get 3. So addition of extra chromosome during mitosis of zygote, that's not zygote ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅಡಿಷನ್ ಯಾವುದು ಕ್ರೋಮೋಸೋಮ್ ನಾವು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಎನಿ ನಾನ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಡ್ಯೂರಿಂಗ್ ಎಗ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ವಾಟ್? 23 chromosomes plus X. ಅದೇ ಸ್ಪರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಯಿತು 23 chromosome plus Y ಆಗುತ್ತೆ or 23 chromosome plus X. Okay, so when male gamete, female gamete, so ovum 23 plus X fuses with 22 plus, this is female, this is male, 22 plus Y. So chromosome ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ 45 plus XY ಆಗುತ್ತೆ 45 plus XY. So Down syndrome, one extra chromosome is seen in 21st due to non-distinction, due to failure of separation of chromatids during ovoformation. ಹಾಗೇನೆ sperm formation ಆಗುವಾಗನೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. So here also if the female is having normal fuses with 23 plus Y or 23 plus X, we get 25 autosomes plus XX or XY. So that also results in Down syndrome. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇವಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಬೋತ್ A and B. Okay, either A or B. 163 ಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ either A or B. Fourth is the answer for 163. Then chromosomal disorders are caused due to absence of one or more chromosome. ಹೌದು, absence of, as in Turner syndrome, one X chromosome is absent in female, alva. Second option they are given, excess of one or more chromosome. As in Down syndrome we see one autosome, extra autosome. ಹಾಗೆ ಕ್ಲೈನ್ಫೆಲ್ಟರ್ ಸಿಂಡ್ರೋಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಅಲೋಸೋಮ್ ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ and abnormal arrangement of one or more chromosomes. So all of the above is the answer. So chromosomal disorders are caused due to all these reasons. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಏನಾಯಿತು, all of the above is the answer for 164. Next, so 165, chromosomal condition of Down syndrome. So ನಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇದೆ 165 ಏನದು, ಆಲೋಸೋಮಲ್ ಅಯೋಅನ್ಯುಪ್ಲಾಯ್ಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇಟ್ಸ್ Down syndrome, it is autosomal disorder, it's a autosomal trisomy. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ autosomal aneuploidy, that's the answer. So third allosomal ಆಗಲ್ಲ, partial autosomal deletion, that's not the answer. Oh, so answer ಏನಾಯ್ತು 165 ಗೆ autosomal aneuploidy is the answer. For 165 we see addition of one chromosome in the 21st pair chromosome. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ Down syndrome is an example for autosomal aneuploidy. Aneuploidy ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನೇಳಿ, either addition or deletion of chromosomes to a diploid set of chromosomes due to failure of segregation of chromatids during cell division. So ಇಲ್ಲೇನಾಗಿದೆ, ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಕ್ರೋಮೋಸೋಮ್ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ 21st ಪೇರ್ಗೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ for 165 answer is autosomal aneuploidy. Then 166, gynecomastia is a symptom of, so this gyneco ಅಂದ್ರೆ female features ನಾವು ಯಾವ ಸಿಂಡ್ರೋಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ, that we see in Klinefelter syndrome. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ Klinefelter syndrome, so there we see in male one extra X chromosome ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ. So in male one extra X chromosome is present. So due to the two X chromosomes in male, they show female characters, development of breast. So that's nothing but gynecomastia. So it is a symptom seen in Klinefelter syndrome. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಟರ್ನರ್ ಸಿಂಡ್ರೋಮ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, that disorder is seen in female, one X chromosome is absent. So she shows underdeveloped feminine characters. Klinefelter syndrome ali that disorder is seen in male due to the presence of one X chromosome, addition X chromosome. Hagagi he shows female characters. So gynecomastia is a symptom of Klinefelter syndrome. So Down syndrome, it's a autosomal trisomy. Severe acute respiratory syndrome, SARS, severe acute respiratory syndrome is not seen in these disorders. So answer for 166, answer is 2. So COVID-19 is SARS, severe acute respiratory syndrome. So study pedigree chart, what does it shows? See, ಈ pedigree chart ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ inheritance of condition like phenylketonuria as an autosomal recessive trait. Yes, autosomal recessive trait ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ parent ಅಲ್ಲಿ disorder ಇಲ್ಲ, whereas in offspring we see male and female both are equally affected. That's why it is autosomal, and disorder is not seen in parent but it is seen in offspring. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ 1 is correct. ಸೊ ಎರಡನೇದು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಇನ್ಹೆರಿಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ರೆಸೆಸಿವ್ ಸೆಕ್ಸ್ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಡಿಸೀಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಹಿಮೋಫಿಲಿಯಾ ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಹಿಮೋಫಿಲಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಡಾಟರ್ ಅಫೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಫಾದರ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಅಫೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಮದರ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಕ್ಯಾರಿಯರ್. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಾದರ್ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಥರ್ಡ್, ಇನ್ಹೆರಿಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೆಕ್ಸ್ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಇನ್ಬೋರ್ನ್ ಎರರ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೆಟಬಾಲಿಸಮ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಫಿನೈಲ್ ಕೆಟನೂರಿಯಾ. ಆದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಆಟೋಸೋಮಲ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಿತ್ತು. ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಹಿಯರ್ sex linked ಅಂತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Phenylketonuria is a recessive disorder but it is not sex linked. So third is not the answer. Pedigree chart is wrong as this is not possible. Adu kuda wrong ide. So answer for this is inheritance of a condition like phenylketonuria as an autosomal recessive trait. That is the answer for 167. 168. What type of sex determination is found in grasshopper? You know that in grasshopper we see the female is having, so 168, so female shows 2 X chromosome whereas male shows only 1 X chromosome. So XX and XO type of sex allosomes we see in grasshopper. ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಏನಾಯಿತು? XX and XY is seen in humans and Drosophila. ZW, ZZ is seen in birds. Okay, so ZZ, ZY ಆ ಥರ ಇಲ್ಲ ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್. XX, XO is seen in grasshoppers, insects. So that is 168. Fourth is the answer. 169. Pleiotropy. Pleiotropy refers to a situation where a gene affects one specific trait. What is pleiotropy? When a single gene controls different phenotypic expressions. When a single gene controls different phenotypic expressions, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೇನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ? ಪ್ಲಿಯೋಟ್ರೋಪಿ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಎ ಜೀನ್ ಅಫೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಮೋರ್ ದೆನ್ ಒನ್ ಸೀಮಿಂಗ್ಲಿ unrelated trait. Yes, unrelated trait. So second is the option. Many small genes affect a single trait. Illa, single trait is responsible for many phenotypic expression. Third is not answer. A single gene masks the effect. Allah, it express the effect. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ? 169. A single gene affects more than one seemingly unrelated trait. Second is the answer for 169. 170. Fruit fly Drosophila melanogaster was found to be very suitable for experimental verification of chromosomal theory of inheritance by Morgan and his colleagues because it reproduced parthenogenetically. Parthenogenetically and there is no sexual act anta. That's not the reason for the they show sexual reproduction. Agagi, that's not the answer. Smaller female is easily distinguishable from larger male. Usually females are larger than male. Hagagi, second answer agala. A single mating produces 2 young flies. That's not the answer. Single mating in Drosophila produces more progenies, more than 2 progenies. That is also not answer. It completes life cycle in about 2 weeks. That's the answer. Because as its life cycle is very less, it completes its life cycle in 2 weeks ಅಂದಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಬೇಗ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. We can study the pattern of linkage and recombination in Drosophila melanogaster. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ for this reason for 170 fourth is the answer. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? Fourth is the answer. Next 171 all the 7 children of a couple are males. All the 7 children of a couple are males. What is the probability that the 8th child will also be a male? So 7 children male idara, 8th children male or female. Male ಎಷ್ಟು probability ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So 171, so XX and XY, XX, XY, XX, XY. ಇದು ಯಾವಾಗೂ ಏನು ಹೇಳಿ 50% after all 7 children, after 8, after 9, after 10 ಎಷ್ಟೇ ಮಕ್ಕಳಾದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮೇಲ್ ಬೇಬಿನೋ ಫಿಮೇಲ್ ಬೇಬಿನೋ ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ 50% probability. ಸೊ ನೋಡಿ 2 daughter 2 son 50%. ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಏನಿದೆ 1/2 is the answer. Always it is 50%. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಏನಾಯ್ತು 171 ಗೆ 1 is the answer. 1/2 is nothing but 50%. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? So we'll go with next question. 171, 1 is the answer. 172 assertion. The given assertion HbS and the defective hemoglobin is homozygous condition of sickle cell anemia. Yes, sickle cell anemia is always seen in homozygous condition. Heterozygous are carrier for this disorder. It occurs due to substitution of glutamic acid by valine at 6th position in beta chain of hemoglobin. So both are correct. Both A and R is true. That's the answer. For 172, 1 is the answer. Both assertion and reason is true. Next, Turner syndrome. It's case of monosomy S. So where we see diploid set ಏನಿದೆ 1 X chromosome absent ಇದೆ. It's a case of monosomy S. Cause sterility in females due to the absence of 1 X chromosome. It obviously causes sterility in females. Underdeveloped breast, rudimentary ovaries, short stature we see in females. Absence of bar body. So bar body ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಚೀಕ್ ಸೆಲ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಸೆಲ್ಸ್ ತೆಗೆದು ಸ್ಟೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ವಿ ಸಿ ಎ ಬಾರ್ ಬಾಡೀಸ್ ಇನ್ ದಟ್ ಸೆಲ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 X chromosome absent ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ in that cell also we will not see the bar bodies. So all of the above. ನಿಮಗೆ ಇವಾಗ ಬಾರ್ ಬಾಡಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ 1 and 2 you know the answer. Turner syndrome is a case of monosomy, cause of sterility in females. When 1 and 2 is correct, 3 ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರು ಆನ್ಸರ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಾ? All the above is the answer. Understood? Bar bodies are a chromosome we see in cheek cells of female ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಫೀಮೇಲ್ ಚೀಕ್ ಸೆಲ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಸೆಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ? one bar body chromosome, that is bar body. ಅದು ಯಾವಾಗ ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ? when they have 2 X chromosome. ಮೇಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಲ್ಲ, because male is having only 1 X chromosome. ಇಲ್ಲೂ ನಾವು ಯಾಕೆ ನೋಡಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಬಾರ್ ಬಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ here in Turner syndrome also we see 1 X chromosome. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 173 ಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್. what's the answer for 173 now? all the above is the answer. Which of the following cannot be detected in developing fetus by amniocentesis? Amniocentesis is a fetal sex determination test to know the genetic deformities, genetic disorders. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ Down syndrome is a genetic disorder. Jaundice, it is not a genetic disorder, it is metabolic disorder. ಅಲ್ವಾ? bilirubin pigment ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, skin turns yellow in color, so that cannot be detected by amniocentesis. Whereas Down syndrome, Klinefelter syndrome, sex of the fetus can be determined by amniocentesis or amniocentesis, but not the jaundice. So, which cannot be detected? Jaundice cannot be detected. Okay. So, 174, 2 is the answer. 175. The incorrect statement with regard to hemophilia is, we know that hemophilia is a sex-linked recessive disorder. Hemophilia is a sex-linked recessive disorder. It is a dominant disease. First option it is a dominant disease, but it is not a dominant disease. It is a recessive disorder. Hagagi incorrect statement 1 anta consider madana. We'll read 2, 3, 4. A single protein involved in the clotting of blood is affected. So yes, it is a sex-linked disease. Yes, it's a recessive disease. Yes. Hagagi it is a dominant disease is incorrect. It is a recessive disease. 175, 1 is incorrect. 176, frame shift mutation occurs when base is added, when base is deleted, when base is added or deleted, none of them. So frame shift mutation and either if GAG is glutamic acid andra, if I add one more uracil, so ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ so if I add GAG is glutamic acid, GUG is valine. If I add one more uracil, so avagénagutte UGU agutte. So this is not code for amino acid. This UGU does not code for amino acid. So hagene ivaga GAG, GUG, this is valine, this is glutamic acid. Ivaga A tagdbittu, if I remove your A, then if I add, so nimige idrukina better Ram has red cap. The Muru 3 are nitrogen bases and like GAG, GUG, AUG, like this. These are all nitrogen bases. Ivaga GAG represents glutamic acid, GUG represents valine, AUG represents methionine. So ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಇವಾಗ ರಾಮ್ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಇವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ RN ರಾಮ್ BHA SRE DCA ದಿಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಏನಾಯ್ತು ರೀಡಿಂಗ್ ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಯಿತು ಫ್ರೇಮ್ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮ್ಯೂಟೇಷನ್ ರೀಡಿಂಗ್ ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಿ ಸೊ ಅಮೈನೋ ಆಸಿಡ್ ಕೋಡಿಂಗ್ ಕೂಡ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಫ್ ಐ ಆಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಹಾಗೆ ಇಫ್ ಐ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ H ತೆಗ್ದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ASR EDC ಈ ತರ if I add nitrogen base or if I remove the nitrogen base it alters the reading frequency alva coding of amino acid is going to be altered that is called frame shift mutation. It's called frame shift mutation. So answer is base is added or deleted. So 176 answer is either base is added or deleted. It shifts the reading frequency. That's called frame shift mutation. It alters the coding sequence of amino acids that leads to mutations. That is nothing but frame shift mutation. 176 3 is the answer. 177 the term linkage was coined by, we know that it was coined by Morgan. Boveri and Sutton gave us chromosomal theory of inheritance. Mendel gave us laws of inheritance. Morgan gives the term linkage and also he told how the linkage is responsible for recombination. So the term linkage was coined by Morgan. 177 4th is the answer. a parent having autosomal dominant disease, then what will be the probability of deceased offspring irrespective of sex of the child? We know that if it is an autosomal disease, whether it is dominant or recessive, both male and female are equally affected. Artha aita? Autosome means both male and female are equally affected. Hagagi, they are given 90%, 10%, 50%, 100%. So when both male and female are equally affected, the answer will be 50%. At 50% male and 50% female. So 178, third is the answer. For 178, third is the answer. 50%. 179. In Down syndrome of a male child, the complement is male child chromosome complement ಏನು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. So Down syndrome ಅಲ್ಲಿ see 179, as Down syndrome is a autosomal disorder, the chromosome 45 autosomes ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಆದರೆ allosomes same ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Allosome is not going to be affected. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಮೇಲ್ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ಗೆ XY. 179, third, second is the answer. For 179, second XY is the answer. So 180, sex chromosomes of birds are, we know that in human beings, male heterogamety we see. Human beings ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು? In humans and in Drosophila, we see male heterogamety. Okay. Whereas in birds, like XY, male heterogamety. Whereas in birds, we see female heterogamety. Female heterogamety. Males shows homogamety, female shows heterogamety. Hagagi, for the 180, the answer is Z, Z, Z. So, Z, answer we go with ZW. ZW is female heterogamety. Sex chromosomes of birds are ZZ and ZW. Understood? So, third option is male heterogamety. Even fourth is male heterogamety that we see in. Fourth option we see in grasshoppers. Third option we see in human beings and Drosophila. Second, there are sex complement, will not see any organism. Whereas ZZ, ZW is sex chromosome seen in birds, where in birds females are heterogamete in nature, where males are homogamete in nature. Hagagi 180 ge 1 is the answer. Okay, that completes discussion related to this zoology. Okay, so read question thoroughly before choosing the answers. Thank you.